personally owned as many as 96 rental units in Las Vegas, and I currently manage well over 800. I am charging the highest rents in the block in every one of my units, and every time I speak with an owner, I am shocked at just how low their rents are. Right now, I work with state, county, and federal government agencies, local, private charities, and the general public. I receive between 100 and 200 phone calls every day from prospective tenants looking to rent, and I have more tenants than I can place into units. Here at Vice Realty, I do everything in-house: evictions, tenant placement, repairs, rehab, and anything that is needed. I will take your property and treat it like my own. I'll save you money on repairs, evictions, rehab, and make you more money by raising your rents to the level they should be. I have a portfolio with rentals of all types, from condos to apartments to houses, from A class to C class. Each type of building and tenant has unique needs, and they can't all be run the same way. Not knowing how to address each separately seems to be one of the pitfalls for most management companies. A class are often very job dependent and economy driven, whereas C class often rely on government assistance requiring extensive paperwork, inspections, compliance with every law and code just to qualify for rental assistance. Repairing these buildings is not the same either, and I know exactly what needs to be done and how much needs to be fixed and how much is overboard. Nevada law also requires all repairs be done by a licensed contractor. Unfortunately, your friendly neighbor does not fill this requirement. Do you know how to navigate the new tenant eviction laws? Do you know how to apply for CHAP or RAFT and any and all tenant rental assistance programs? Knowledge of these programs is a must today. How to navigate through these courts is becoming increasingly more difficult as this state has quickly become one of the most unfriendly landlord states in the country. I want the opportunity to manage your property and show you how I can increase your profits. I'm not just your typical property manager. I'm an investor first, just like you. I became a property manager because I didn't like what I saw from the ones I used, so I cut out the middleman. I will increase your profits and reduce your headaches. Do me a favor. Ask your current property manager how many rentals they own. Because if your property manager doesn't trust themselves with their own money, then why should you trust them with yours? I have 40 full-time employees. This job can't be done correctly with a staff of 2 or 3. It just isn't possible unless you only have a few doors under management. Make sure your current manager is looking out for your best interest and not solely their own. Property management is the most sued of all real estate businesses, and you must have a seasoned professional who knows the rules and can apply the laws to give you security and create profitability. I'm a licensed broker, property manager, business broker, B2 contractor, and I can take care of every one of your real estate needs in-house. You and I, are in this business to make money. If you're unsure about how much rent should be, then give me a call at 702-825-4663. My name is Derek, and I'm the owner of Vice Realty. Let me help you profit in this business where it seems everything is now against us.